Hi, I'm telling us my 1-bit magnitude comparator with demonstration. For the circuit, you need two SPDT switches, depending on which side you flick the switch. It would either deliver grounded voltage in the middle pin. 146 on logic IC, this contains NOT gates, which I will explain later. 1401 logic IC, which contains AND gates, and then I'll space later. And 14001 logic IC, which contains NOR gates, and again I'll space later. 1000 ohm fixed resistor, this is a fixed resistor, so it will stay consistent 1000 ohm resistance. One cathode RGB LED, this is an LED that can light up red, green, or blue, depending on which pin gets the signal. This is a cathode LED, the longest pin must lead to ground. And finally, you need wires. Now I'm going to explain how this works using this schematic. But first, the different types of logic gates. First is a NOT gate, which is the simplest gate. All it does is flip the input it gets. An example in binary terms would be if the input was a 1, it would output a 0 and vice versa. Next is an AND gate. An AND gate only outputs a 1 if it gets two 1 inputs. Finally, there's a NOR gate. It will only output a 1 if it gets two 0 inputs. How does the red LED turn on? When B is greater than A. When B is on, it delivers a 1 input to the B side NOT gate. The NOT gate then switches this input, delivering a 0 to the B side AND gate. Since the B side AND gate has a 0 input, even if it had another 1 input, it won't output a 1 regardless. Since the A gives the A side NOT gate a 0, it will flip it and output a 1 to the A side AND gate. The B side switch also delivers a 1 to the A side AND gate. The A side AND gate then leads to the red prong on the LED, turning the LED red. The opposite happens when A is greater than B. How does the green light turn on? It will turn on if A and B are both equal. Why I say A and B are both outputting a 0? This means the NOT gate will then output a 1 to both AND gates. The issue is that A and B must also deliver a 1 to the AND gates themselves. And if they are both delivering a 1, this means that the NOT gates are delivering a 0. The AND gates will always output a 0 in these scenarios and won't power the respective LED prongs. Instead, the outputs will be fed to the NOR gate. With two 0 inputs, the NOR gate outputs a 1 to the green LED, turning it on. Thank you very much for listening.